Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue to explore the features of the Syncfusion Angular DataGrid. In this video, I'll walk you through how filtering works and help you to quickly narrow down large sets of data with just a few clicks. To enable filtering in the grid, first inject the filter service in the providers and then set the Allow Filtering property to True. From there, pick the filtering type, filter bar, menu, checkbox, or Excel using the type property in filter settings. When the type is set to filter bar, the grid displays a simple text box under each column header where users can enter filter criteria. You can apply operators like equal, greater than, or not equal for precise or pattern-based filtering, while date and Boolean fields always use the equal operator. Control when filtering should occur using the mode property. OnEnter runs filtering after pressing Enter key, while immediate updates the results as soon as the criteria is updated. To adjust the filter condition directly in the UI, the Show Filter Bar Operator property enables an operator dropdown in each filter bar cell. You can also filter columns that contain predefined values by using enum filtering. For columns that don't require filtering, simply disable it using Allow Filtering, or remove the filter bar by applying an empty filter template. Prefer a pop-up style filter? Switch the type to Menu. This adds a filter icon near the column header, and clicking it opens a small dialog with common operators like equal, contains, and more. It also shows an editor that matches the column type, a text box for strings, a numeric text box for numbers, a DatePicker for dates, and a dropdown for Booleans. Need custom editors in either filter bar or menu filtering? Just replace the default input using the filter bar template. You can render a DatePicker, ComboBox, AutoComplete, or multi-select. When using AutoComplete, you can control whether autofill suggestions appear. And for time-based editors like TimePicker or DateTimePicker, you can switch between 12-hour or 24-hour formats, or customize the full DateTime format. The DataGrid also supports diacritics filtering, allowing accented characters to be matched accurately. For category-based filtering, set the type to Checkbox. The DataGrid shows a list of unique values with checkboxes so users can include or exclude items easily. It also supports search, making it ideal for repeated or grouped values. Looking for Excel-like filtering experience, set the filter type to Excel and provides a filtering interface with checkbox lists, operator dropdowns, submenu choices, and a clear filter action. It supports text, number, date, and Boolean filtering using selected values or conditions. You can also hide sorting options inside the Excel filter dialog when you want a filtering-only experience. For large datasets, the checkbox list shows unique column values and displays up to 1,000 items to keep the dialog fast. Additional values can be fetched as you scroll or via the dialog search, so the filter remains responsive even with millions of records. You can customize the choice count, update item appearance using filter item template, retain previous selections using the add current selection to filter option, and even resize the dialog or change the filtered icon appearance using CSS. So far, you've seen how the Syncfusion Angular DataGrid makes filtering flexible and powerful, letting users focus on the data that matters through a clean, user-friendly experience.